What's up, fam? In this video today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can earn up to 4 USDT or more on a daily basis just by completing simple tasks like watching videos, walking, answering questions, daily check-ins, and etc. And mind you guys, your daily earnings can be withdrawn. All right. So this is the basic reason why I'm going to be introducing you all to the Atok dollar airdrop, which can enable you earn on a daily basis, guys. Okay. So we're going to be looking at the key details, how to earn Atok tokens on a daily basis, and as well the token utility, guys. Okay, so make sure to stick with me all through this video. Don't skip any part of it so you get the full basic info on what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Okay, so if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is Earn with Don TV, and what to do here is we give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure to smash on that subscribe button right now. Destroy that subscribe button, guys. Turn on the bell icon so whenever Earn with Don TV uploads a new video like this one here on YouTube, you're always going to be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly hop into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. Okay, guys, so here we are on my Google Docs page right now. So up here says introduction to Atok dollar airdrop. All right, and down below here says Atok airdrop is a program designed to reward users with Atok tokens, which is the Atok dollar, for participating in various activities. All right, so down here talks about the key details, and it says airdrop dates. Okay, so the Atok airdrop took place from March 19th 2025 to March 25th 2025. Okay, so the total token supply was 10 billion Atok dollars tokens, and down below here says airdrop quantity was 2,140,000 tokens were allocated for the airdrop. Okay, so number of winners says 5,000 winners were expected to receive tokens. An airdrop platform, the airdrop was hosted on the Gleam platform. Okay, so the Gleam platform is basically used for rewards distribution, guys. Right, so down here it says that the Atok price is currently 0.015 USD. Okay, so this is the current price of one Atok dollar to USDT, guys. All right, so if I should summarize the key details section we just read right now, it tells us that the Atok dollar airdrop has ended, and this makes the Atok dollar tradable with a price of 0.015 Atok dollar per USDT. Okay, so down here it talks about how to earn Atok tokens daily. All right, and it says Atok is a reward-based digital marketing platform that utilizes Web3 technology to provide users with a fun way to earn rewards through daily activities such as daily check-ins, earn rewards by checking into the app up to 3 times a day, move to earn, engage in physical activities to earn more rewards, marketing related missions, complete tasks like watching short videos or interacting with promotional content. And lastly, down here says in-app games, and it says play interactive games to win rewards. Okay, so lastly down here talks about the token utility, and it says that the Atok dollar tokens serve multiple purposes within the Atok ecosystem, including transactions, use tokens for transactions within the app, NFT upgrades, upgrade NFTs to increase rewards, reduce marketing costs, or own valuable digital assets. So down below here talks about the user engagement, and it says incentivize users to participate in various activities. All right, so this is the major benefit you get as a user just by engaging in various activities on the Atok dollar app, guys. Okay, so now that we know about the theoretical aspect of how everything works right here, I'm going to be showing you guys the practical aspect of how you can start earning immediately, guys. Okay, so now let's go see how it works. Okay, guys, so here we are on Google Play Store right now. So before you can start earning Atok dollars on a daily basis and actually convert to USDT for cash, you first of all need to have downloaded the Atok dollar app straight down into your mobile phone. Okay, so to make things super easy for you guys, I'm going to be leaving the download link to the Atok dollar app straight down in this video description, and as well it's going to be on my WhatsApp and Telegram community, guys. Okay, so all you just simply need to do is go over there, hit on the link, and it's going to bring you over to the Google Play Store right here. So when you are here, you just simply install the app. So mine is already installed. That's the reason why it's showing open right here. Okay, so when you are done installing, you just simply hit on the open button, and boom, guys, it's going to open. Okay, so I'm going to open mine right now, so I show you guys the basic things you need to know to actually start earning right here. Okay, so I'm going to hit on open right now. Okay, guys, here we are. So let's just wait for it to load up right now. Okay, so as you can see, guys, you just simply select your language right here. So I'm going to select English right here and hit on next. So I'm going to hit on get started down below here, guys. Here we are. So over here says I should create an account. So I'm going to input my email right here, guys. So let's see how this goes. So I'm going to pause this video. Okay, guys, so I'm done inputting my email right now. So down below here that says referral code, I'm going to input my referral code right here because I actually have another account, guys. Okay, I'm just trying to do this so I show you guys the whole process on how this works. All right, so I'm going to paste it right here, guys, by hitting on paste. So this is it. So guys, make sure you use my referral code so you actually get a bonus of 10 Atok tokens to your account. All right, so I'm going to hit on sign up right now. So over here it says recaptcha. So I'm going to hit on this place up here that says I'm not a robot, guys. So let's give this some time. Okay, so it says I should select all images with a fire hydrant picture. So I'm going to hit on it. This one is fire hydrant, fire hydrant, fire hydrant. Okay, fire hydrant again, fire hydrant again. Okay, so I think I'm true. So this is the last one right here. Another one again. Okay, so I'm going to hit on verify right here, guys. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so it says please wait a moment. So let's give this some time, guys. Boom. So as you can see right here, guys, it says enter code and it says code sent to your email. So I'm going to go over to my email right now and just quickly grab the code, guys, and I'm going to be right back. Okay, so let's go. Okay, guys, so I just got the code right now. So I'm going to paste it right here. It says 804982. So let's see how this goes, guys. Okay, so it says create a pin. So I'm going to create a pin right now, guys. So I'm going to pause this video. Okay, so I'm done. So I'm going to confirm the pin right now. I'm going to pause this video again. Okay, guys, so I'm done inserting my pin right now. So let's just see how this goes. Oh, it seems there's an issue, guys. I'm not supposed to be brought to this page right here. I'm going to hit on login. Let's see what they would say. Oh, it says your account has been banned. Oh. So, guys, remember I told you guys I actually have another account. So it seems they don't actually agree for someone to have two accounts. Okay, with the look of things, guys, it seems this platform is really strict. All right, so I'm going to go over to my main account right now, so I show you guys exactly how you can start making money right here on Atok. Okay, so guys, let's go. Okay, guys, so here we are on my Atok dollar account dashboard right now. So I'm lucky I still have this account because I actually thought I violated the policy for creating a double account. All right, so up here says I currently have 19.93 Atok dollars right here, and this is worth about 0.3 cents, guys. Okay, so I got 10 Atok dollars for free simply by using a friend's referral code to sign up. So that is the very first step to actually earn Atok dollars right here, guys. Okay, so make sure to use my referral code to get your bonus as well, guys. Okay, the referral code is going to be on this video description, and as well it's going to be on my WhatsApp and Telegram community. So all you just simply need to do is copy the code and paste it where it's needed. Okay, so that is it. Right now the basic question is, how do you earn right here on Atok on a daily basis? Okay, so one of the ways you can earn right here on a daily basis is through checking in, guys. All right, so as you can see, I already checked in right now and I got about 6.12 Atok. Okay, so you can check in right here on Atok app 3 times daily. All right, so how do you check in? So over here that says next check-in, I already checked in 2 times today. So you can check in every 4 hours, guys. Okay, every 4 hours. As you can see, I still have about 3 hours and 1 minute to actually check in again. All right, so that is basically how you can check in just by hitting on the box up here, guys. Okay, so another way you can earn right here is through walking, guys. All right, so when you actually walk, you're going to be seeing your power up percent right here that says 0 kilometers. You're going to be seeing your kilometers right here. Okay, so the longer distance you trek, the more you earn, guys. All right, so if you actually want to start earning through walking, you just simply need to on your app and then you start walking to keep on earning, guys. Okay, so that is basically how you can earn through walking. All right, so the next way to earn right here is through answering questions, guys. All right, so how do you answer this question? So you can simply hit on this place up here that says avatar. So I'm going to hit on it right now. Here we are, guys. So as you can see up here, I'm currently on level 4 because I've actually answered the question right here before. All right, so down here it says answer to this question. So I'm going to hit on it right now, guys. So as you can see right here, it says, do you enjoy exercising with music or media? So before I go ahead and answer this question right now, if you are still here with me, guys, please kindly smash on that subscribe button right now, turn on the bell icon, share this video to friends and family so they also benefit just like you will be doing, guys. Thank you so much as you do so. Okay, so guys, it's a big yes for me, so I'm going to hit on yes always right here. I'm going to hit on confirm. So over here says what's your gender? Okay, so I'm actually a female, so I'm going to hit on female right here. Oh, sorry guys, I'm a male. I'm going to hit on male. So down here that says confirm, I'm going to hit on the confirm button right now. All right, so the third question right here says, how would you rate your overall experience with the Atok app? Okay, so far it's been excellent. I'm going to hit on confirm. So let's see how this goes, guys. Okay, it says you received 3+ points. I'm going to hit on okay. Boom, guys, so I just got rewarded 3.8 Atok tokens just by answering those questions. Okay, so I'm going to hit on collect right here. Boom, as you can see, it says watch video and receive bonus Atok. So I'm going to hit on this place right here that says watch ads. Okay, so let's just see how this goes. So I actually show you guys how you can earn. So this is actually another way you can earn right here just by watching ads, guys. All right, I'm going to hit on this place right here that says reward granted. Boom, as you can see, I got another 2.5 Atok tokens just by watching ads, guys. Okay, so I'm going to hit on collect as well. Okay, so today's mission has been completed. As you can see, it says today's question has been completed. So that is basically how it is, guys. I just unlocked a new level right now, and I also got a new avatar right here. Okay, so the more questions you answer correctly right here on a daily basis, the more Atok tokens you get, and as well, the more you level up your avatar right here. Okay, as you can see, I'm currently on level 7 right now. So previously, I was actually on level 4, but now I've been upgraded to level 7. All right, so that is basically how you can make money right here, watching videos and as well answering questions, guys. Okay, so if you actually want to know more about the avatar, how it works and everything, you can just simply hit on this question mark up here at the top right corner of my screen. Just simply hit on it, and then you actually get to see everything you need to know about the avatar. Okay, so that is it. So I'm going to go back right now. I'm going to go back. Here we are. So as you can see, guys, I currently have 23.74 Atok on my balance right now. So as you can see, 4 hours time is over. So I'm going to check in right here, guys. I'm going to hit on check in. Boom, as you can see, I was giving 0.06. Okay, so you're going to be giving 0.06 Atok at your first check-in, guys. Okay, so your second check-in and your third check-in, you're going to be giving 6.12 Atok. Okay, on your first, you're going to be giving 0.06, and on your second and third, you're going to be giving 6.12. That is basically how the program did, guys. All right, so over here that says NFT redeem, if I actually hit on it right now, it's going to load up, guys. Here we are. So right here it says I was giving a free NFT, and you're also going to be giving one as well when you actually sign up, guys. All right, so over here it says basic daily reward from this NFT is currently 6.06 Atok. Okay, and down here it says that the referral tier apply is 1. All right, so this actually means that if I refer someone right here, I'm only going to be getting, the referral commission from just one person. So even if the person invites another person right here to come start completing tasks over here, I'm not going to be receiving any reward from the person I invited. Okay, I'm just going to be receiving reward from the person I invited alone, guys. That is basically what this means right here. Okay, so guys, you can also purchase NFTs right here using your Atok tokens just by hitting on this place right here that says store, guys. Okay, I'm going to hit on it. Here we are. So as you can see up here, it says available NFTs right here is 98,352, and the total supply is 102,300. Okay, so down here it says that this NFT right here is worth about 100 USDT, and to purchase this NFT right here, you actually need the sum of 9,090.91 Atok tokens. Okay, this one right here says that this NFT with the bicycle right here is worth about $200, and to purchase this NFT right here, you need the sum of 18,181.82 Atok tokens. Okay, all the way down to the highest one right here. So this one is worth about $51,200 with a price of 4,654,545.45 Atok tokens. Okay, so that is basically how it is. You can actually use your Atok tokens to purchase NFTs right here just for investment purpose, guys. Okay, because these NFTs right here are actually worth a lot. All right, so let's say you actually want to transfer out your NFT from the Atok app straight down into an NFT platform to sell. All you simply do is hit on this place up here, guys. Okay, and you just simply scan your NFT, and boom, guys, your non-fungible token is going to be delivered into whatsoever NFT platform you actually want to send it to. Okay, so that is basically how it is. I'm going to go back, guys. I'm going to go back again. Here we are, guys. So you can also earn Atok tokens for completely free right here just by inviting your friends. Okay, so down here that says referral program, I'm going to hit on it right now. It's going to load up. Here we are. So up here says referral program, get earn more 50 tiers. All right, so this actually means that if I invited somebody and the person I invited 49 more persons, I actually earn from 50 of them. Okay, I earn for myself, I earn for the person I invited, and also the 49 persons that the person invited. So that is basically what it means, guys. Okay, so down below here is my referral code and link. So all you just simply do if you actually want to invite your friends down here is simply copy your link and code and just send it to your friends. And when they actually do come in here, you stand a chance of earning 10 Atok tokens per each person you actually refer right here, guys. Okay, so that is basically how you can earn from referrals. So you can simply go through the questions right here concerning the referrals by hitting on the question mark up here at the top right corner of my screen. So I'm going to hit on it, guys. Okay, let's give this some time. All right, so as you can see over here, this talks about how the referral program works. So you can simply just read through to actually get better understanding on how it works, guys. Okay, so I'm going to exit right now. I'm going to go back. Here we are, guys. So you can also contact the Atok support by hitting on the contact support button down below here to lay complaint on whatever issue you might be facing, guys. All right, so down below here says that you can also earn some Atok tokens for yourself just by playing games right here. Okay, if I actually hit on it right now, this very first game right here is called Roller Atok, and the second game right here is called Jackpot. Okay, so you can actually play all these games to earn some Atok tokens for yourself. So down below here says that you can actually watch videos. I'm going to hit on this video icon right here. Okay, As you can see, I currently don't have any video to actually complete right now. All the videos are currently not available, guys. Okay, so I'm going to hit on the next button right here, guys. Here we are. So this place right here is more like the news going on the Atok ecosystem. All right, so up here says Atok ban on clone apps official store usage guide. So this was what happened to me today when I was trying to create a new account on Atok. They actually banned my account, right? So make sure you have just one account on Atok, guys. Okay, don't go about having multiple accounts because they are all going to get banned. All right, so now that you know all of this, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how you can actually make withdrawals of your Atok token straight down into your trust wallet. Okay, so how do you do that? What you simply do is up here that says manage, you just simply hit on manage right here. It's going to load up, guys. Okay, so as you can see, what you do next is over here that says transfer, you just simply hit on the transfer button right here, and then you paste your Atok address you copied from Trust Wallet right here, guys. Okay, so down here that says amount, you just simply hit on max and then you send. Right, so down here says you can transfer Atok to another account to an external Web3 wallet, and right here says withdraw to a Web3 wallet, e.g. Trust Wallet or MetaMask. All right, so down here says limit is 1000 Atok per transfer once per day. Okay, so number 2 right here says internal transfer to another account. Limit is 5000 Atok per transfer. And the minimum withdrawal is 200 Atok plus fee per transfer. Okay. So down below here says for instructions on receiving and transferring Atok, watch this video. So you can just simply watch the video guide and know exactly what you are doing, guys. Okay. So I'm going to go back right now. Okay. So guys, I believe I've showed you exactly how you can earn right here on a daily basis using the Atok Dollar app. All right. So in my subsequent videos, guys, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can make withdrawals right here on your Atok Dollar app, guys. All right. So make sure to stay tuned for my next video. All right. So guys, I'm going to be drawing my curtain right here for today. So if you actually found this video helpful, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up right now. And if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, please make sure to smash on that subscribe button right now. Turn on the bell icon, guys. So whenever N TV uploads wonderful videos like this one you just watched right now, you are always going to be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so thank you all once more for watching this video. Do have a wonderful day, guys. Peace out.